I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology. My goal for you is to help you build a loyal client base so you can earn a significant income in the beauty industry. I've been working behind the chair since 1994 and still going strong despite the struggle with repetitive use injuries over the years. When you become a sought-after nail technician, your hours will become longer to service the clients that want to get in to see you, and the wear and tear on your body is real. During this video, you will see how easy it is for me to complete the service because I am using a product called the Ergo Lift. The Ergo Lift is a hand rest for nails that I invented and received a patent on July 30th, 2019. Some of you may follow my YouTube channel, The Meticulous Manicurist Nail Tutorials, where I have over 500,000 subscribers and looking forward to hitting that 1 million mark. I also have a YouTube channel called The Meticulous Manicurist Nail Academy that focuses on nails and shortened pedicure videos. You might think that after creating the YouTube channels and my online nail academy that I would step away from providing services in the salon to my clients. Providing service to my clients and the relationship I have with people and the purpose I serve in their lives is important to me. Even though I have several other aspects of this industry to juggle at this time, I am still devoted to my client base, and I want you to be just as devoted to the client base that you build with the education I provide for you. Your focus should not be money. When you do the right thing for the right reasons, the money just falls into place. I'm building a certified meticulous manicurist network. It is exciting to groom nail technicians all over the world. The education allows nail technicians to provide the kind of services clients are seeking. The internet can be a very misleading persuasion when it comes to actual real-life situations. That is why when you see me performing a service, the services is on a real client during a real day in my real life. You will never see me perform a nail service or a pedicure service on a model where I spend hours making it look perfect and lead you to believe that you can accomplish the same thing during the course of your day. You will never see a perfect before and after photo because I am snapping the photos quickly to finish my services on time. During the video, you will see a few product images with the names of the products. You can purchase the Meticulous Manicurist brand and all the products you see in my videos from my online store. Go to themeticulousmanicurist.com. You will see a link for the online store. And if you are already a professional nail technician, you can sign up for a pro account on my website, pro.themeticulousmanicurist.com. If you're ready to join my global certified meticulous manicurist network, you can find my online courses at academy.themeticulousmanicurist.com. I'm looking forward to growing our global network and having you join the other countries. Right now we have 22 states in the United States, Canada, New Zealand, France, and the UK. If you want to learn the when, where, why, how of using the electric file, the course you want to take is the Electric File for Nails course. If you want to be the best at what you do and do it in the most efficient and effective way that will allow you to earn a significant income, I urge you to add my Global Meticulous Manicurist course pack to your bucket list. While you're watching this video, I want you to pay careful attention to the actual nail plate. You can see that there is no indentations, there are no rings of fire, there is no damage to the nail plate. And in the Electric File for Nails course, I teach you the appropriate speed, pressure, bits, angles, positions to hold the finger, balance, everything that you need to know to accomplish the same thing. because when you're trying to build a clientele, the one thing that a client will never come back to you is if you injure them during the service. Now, while I'm filing the nails, I want you to watch how easily I work and move from finger to finger. And this is because of the hand rest for nails, the Ergo Lift. The hand rest was designed to comfortably fit the palm of the hand to allow the client to drop their fingers so they hang in a downward position, but it gives enough room for you to get your hand underneath the finger and to lift into work. And then when you are finished, you drop the finger and move on to the next finger. If the client is stiff, you just give them a little tap, they drop their fingers, and you can move on to the next finger. This removes all of the weight of the client's hand off of your body, so you will not have sore wrists or hands. They can't press on you. When the client, in addition to the weight of a hand, if a client actually is pressing on your hand and you're trying to hold the hand up while you work, that puts strain up the back of your arm through your shoulder into your neck down into your trapezius muscles. So if you are straining with back and neck pain, that is part of the reason why. Now when you get to the thumb, all the client has to do is tip the thumb up into the air and you're able to easily work from there too. If you have any questions about anything that I've spoken about in the video, please leave them in the comments and I will get back to you. I spend hours and hours each day answering comments from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, emails, but I will get to you and I do answer them personally. Here I'm using the Meticulous Manicurist nippers to remove any of the little pieces of excess skin that need to be removed. There is a difference between live tissue and non-living tissue. I speak about that in my training videos, but here I think you can see very clearly that the white material that protrudes up and away from the cuticle area shouldn't be there. It's almost time to apply the polish, but we've got to clean off that nail plate. You have to get rid of all of the loose dust and clean the nail plate. I'm using 100% acetone here. Do not use alcohol. And if you can peek underneath, you see I'm using a non-woven square with some cotton tucked up underneath to hold more product. I've been doing nails an awfully long time, since 1994. I have used just about every single gel polish that is on the market. And this brand called Lack-It is my favorite. Let me give you a few reasons why. Its consistency, its ease of use, it doesn't run, it uses LED to cure, so it saves time. The high shine of the top coat, it does not get dull. It's perfect. It is absolutely perfect. And I always apply 2 coats of the base coat because it gives it enough depth and density that when I remove the gel polish from the surface, there is no way I'm going to harm the natural nail. If you want to learn all of my secrets about perfect polish application, I do have a course for that called Nail Polish Techniques, and it is at a very special price right now. So head on over to academy.themeticulousmanicurist.com when you're finished watching and check that out. Be sure to also get on my mailing list. So when I do have a special that get notified. I want to help you build a clientele that will be with you forever. This client, I've been providing service for her for about 18 years, and you too can have a loyal client base like this. Now, there's jargon on the internet that says it's not important to do things quickly and you shouldn't rush. Well, you don't see me rushing here, do you? I'm being very careful, taking my time throughout the entire service. This was a 30-minute standard gel removal service for me. Now I could have rushed if I wanted to, if she had been late, because I don't like to run behind, but one of my mottos is the slower you go, the faster you will be done, because you will not make any mistakes. And I can help you be successful in your career. So I hope you put one of my courses on your bucket list or your Christmas list or your birthday list or a tip jar on your station for your clients, because I'm sure they would encourage you to get all of the education that you can get as well. Time is very valuable to clients. Clients do not want to be in the salon for an hour and a half. They have things to do too, and they are willing to pay for quality. And if you're wondering, well, what can she teach me that I didn't already learn in nail school? Well, let me just leave you with a little story. I got a phone call a couple of days ago from a woman in Canada. She actually is a foot care nurse. So she went to school to become a foot care nurse in the medical industry. And she was so sweet, and she called me and just said that from taking my course, that she learned more in that course than she was ever taught in foot care nurse school. And I get similar comments like that from nail technicians all around the world, telling me that they didn't learn anything that I talk about, because I give you the real hands-on education, things that other people haven't experienced, that you're being taught from people who maybe haven't worked behind the chair on clients. So I hope that gives you a little bit of encouragement. And remember, clients do have responsibilities at home as well. Always recommend that they take home a bottle of cuticle oil. You can purchase cuticle oil at wholesale on the pro.meticulousmanicurist.com and sell at retail, so you can earn a little bit of extra money on the side. So I hope you decide to do that, and here are the before and after photos coming up.